Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. I always say that, but your girl is back, of course. You guys have been asking for so long about my updated makeup routine. It has changed so much. I love to start off with my MAC Strobe Cream. This is like an OG for me, but I've been using the Gold Light because I have an olive complexion and the Gold Light one is amazing. I don't know if they still carry this in stores, but I love the glowiness that it gives me. I love that glow, my skin, but better. I love to keep my makeup looks pretty matte now that I've found something that works. I'm going to be taking this OG concealer. You guys see me use this like every damn video because I don't think it's like necessary to change it, to conceal my brows. It's just not that serious. So I don't do much to my brows. I use the Anastasia brow definer, I believe, and I actually really don't like it. I just have yet to find something for my brows because my brows are so damn dark. I don't know if you guys noticed that when my hair was blonde, but my eyebrows are pretty much natural black. So I have yet to find a makeup product that just doesn't make my eyebrows look so damn dark. I'm just saying, like, skin come through. I am not upset whatsoever. My skin has changed a lot. It is a lot more on the dull side, so I do need a lot more moisture. I've been noticing. Holla at me if you've kind of been dealing with the same thing, because I have been noticing my skin changing a lot over this past year. But now I love to just take my beauty blender, and it is wet, it is a little bit damp, and I like to just kind of pounce it on my face just to kind of get like some of that moisture back into my skin before I go ahead and apply my foundation. So now I'm gonna start priming my skin, and what I love to use is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. This freaking primer has changed the game for me, and I know I've said that a lot about a lot of products, but I've noticed on my under eye creases for sure has changed the game. And I love to just focus mainly on my T-zone underneath my eyes and also my laugh lines because I have so many problems with my laugh lines. But you guys have given me so many different tips, which is so dope. This has changed my makeup routine for sure. The best thing that I did was start using a concealer before I apply my foundation. So I love using this concealer from Makeup Obsession. I don't know if they're only online or if they're in store yet. Their sister brand to Makeup Revolution. You guys already know I love Makeup Revolution. So I've been using this concealer, and I love to just place it underneath my eyes or on my eye bags before I apply my foundation. This has definitely became like a base before I apply my concealer after I apply my foundation, if that makes sense. I hope I'm not confusing you guys, but I have noticed that this has just changed the game. Like this is where it's at. So go ahead and try a really good full coverage concealer. Apply that by your foundation and see if that works, if that sets really well. It also depends what products you're using. So I never used to be a big fan of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. For some reason, I don't know if it was just the way that I was using this foundation, but I started using it in conjunction with different products now, or these products, and I am just obsessed with it. I use the shade 260, but I've also noticed that working this foundation in more in like a dabbing motion instead of just like rubbing it into my face with this brush. I've been using this brush from Mented Cosmetics and I love it. I've just been dabbing the foundation in, and then I like to take my beauty blender and just kind of dab off the excess, especially around my laugh lines, because that's where I seem to have just so many problems. But I like to just really melt that into the skin, and I've just been loving this foundation. So if you have yet to use it, you got to. I am obsessed with this concealer. I use the shade Light Neutral. It is everything that everyone says it is. The Tarte Shape Tape, it literally is just perfect. It's awesome. This concealer is just so damn easy to work with. a little does go a long way, so you don't need to use a lot. I love it. I get so many compliments, and it just sets so well with the way that I've been doing it, and as well as the baking powder that I've been using. I use this baking powder nonstop. You guys are going to see here. I use it every single day, and I'm not changing it. It's only $9 at Ulta. It's by Makeup Revolution. It's just freaking awesome, and I talk about it so much because I love Makeup Revolution. I feel like they need to know that. Just understand that I am a full-time working mom and I'm broke as shit right now. So hit me up if you want to work with me. But I've been using this concealer as a contour stick by Mented Cosmetics, and I just love it. It's in the shade T20. If you guys have not heard of Mented Cosmetics, they make makeup products solely for women of color, and that is just so dope. The Sonia Kashuk sponges, Brianna Monique, if you guys do not, or if you're not subscribed to her on YouTube, she put me onto these. That's my girl. I bought these at Target, 2 for $10, and these sponges are the bomb. They're the bomb, alright? And they clean so easily. Okay, so I like to just pounce that contour into my skin. If you want your skin to look like skin, get yourself a cream contour, because that's where it's at. All right. So then, I know I didn't show it here, or I barely showed it. It's from Milani Cosmetics. It's the Soleil Baked Bronzer. I like to just really focus on building that into the skin because this is my favorite part. I love contouring. I love bronzing up my skin. I have yet to find like a shade that I really love because they're either too warm or they're too cool, and that's because I'm right in the middle. So if you guys can recommend something good for me, let me know. This is the powder I'm talking about. This one right here. Y'all need to get your hands on it. I love it. If you're saying it's not working for you, you need to use it in a different way. This is Banana Light. I'm obsessed with it. You got to get it. So I like to just take my this is an Eco Tool sponge, and I like to just place that on my skin, let it bake for a little while. I do love a bright under eye. I know for some people you're just not like feeling it, but this is what has really been making my skin so matte, and it literally stays in place all day long even when I'm sweating. I like to add it under my contour just a little bit just to kind of sharpen that up. I'm taking my Lorac Pro palette. I really love to keep this matte, so I'm just using matte shades, a matte brown shade, and then for my lid, I'm just using like a tan shade. Nothing crazy. This is just what I like to do every day when I'm out and about, and it's just quick, it's easy, and I don't have to think about it. And I love it. So y'all need to keep it with the matte shades, and it's a look. It's a whole vibe. Then I'm just going to dust this off. I've been using this makeup brush from, I don't remember the name. It's crazy that I don't remember the name, but I love this damn brush. Everything I'm going to leave down below so that you guys can see. I've been using this LILLYLASHES XXX mascara lately. Even though my lashes are very thin now from lash extensions, no regrets because I love my lash extensions. I will take the thin lashes any day, but I love this mascara. It's like really thick and black, and that's where it's at. But I was trying to figure out what lashes I wanted to wear, so the ones that I put on here were LILLYLASHES So Extra Miami, but I didn't end up keeping them on because I'm so indecisive. So you guys are going to see me change them in a minute. I always contour my lips. Always contour your lips if you want them to look plump as hell, girl. Trust me, you will thank me later. I only use brown lip liners. You guys ask me that a lot. I only use brown lip liners. Doesn't matter from where. NYX has one, and it's really good. This is an OG lipstick. I don't even know if Wet n Wild sells it anymore, but it's just what I put in my purse because I don't know about you guys, but I don't like putting my expensive shit in my purse because what if my purse gets stolen? I'm going to be mad as hell. Like, I'm going to be very salty. Like, I got to be honest. Like, I'm going to be mad as shit. But anyways, you're going to see me jamming here, you know, just getting litty. Shout out to my man in the back, looking really cute. Minding his business. That's where it's at. But yeah, you see, I took these lashes off. I was like, nah, let me go for my Harlow's Dream House in a second. Taking my Morphe palette to add some blush. I know I'm doing this like really ass backwards, but this is just the way that I do it because it's quick. You know what I mean? Like, it'd be taking me at least an hour. That's quick for me, okay? For perfect. I don't spray anything, not like I used to before I apply my highlighter. I'm just applying my highlighter. This is Soft and Gentle from MAC. OG, love it, ain't changing it anytime soon. I like to take my Morphe fan brush, just getting in there, but keeping it very matte, but still with a subtle glow. And then I'm just applying lower lash line, some mascara, and we good, girl. That pretty much completes the whole look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope I wasn't speaking too fast. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for taking your time out to watch, okay? I love you guys. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go follow your girl. I'll put everything down below. I love you guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.